Welcome to another episode with Hush Pop Frost and the Bad 13. Yeah? You know the style. If you are not subscribed, please do like, share, and comment. Road sticky style. Make a little part run. Yeah. Still upon the journey for do the mechanical report. You see me? That is today a Saturday, that a Monday. All light fix and working except one indicator light. This is how it is. No N, it forever N. So may I try change this. I have to change this. Jaja know the wiring set away upon there, so did one show how I fix the indicator light. I just splice the wire and connect the right wire them and tape it off, you know what I mean? And I could get the right end, the proper end for just plug and play, you know? We have viewer inside of the thing, is it then? Dashboard used to clean and pretty, man them make sense. Yeah, I had to voice over this because it was raining. Just wanted to show the interior, how it look after the body work and the spray work, you know. It's a lot worse than before, but yeah. Nah, I had nothing. The outside prettier than the inside now, but more to come, you know what I mean? Because all out me I go on it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Fresh up the door panel or door card, yeah? Fresh them up, or door cover, whatever you call them. Fresh up the dashboard, headliner. You know it go. You have something you have to just do, you have to do, you know. You see me I say, I tell you, the car give me joy. It's like you have a shoes and it dirty, you have to clean it, don't? Yeah. Yeah, if you listen, you hear the vibration, you know. One bad control alarm cause that the passenger side front, you know. So that's something I need to deal with. So I'm not really drive it much because of that. But by Christmas that up, probably have a vlog on that too, yeah? One thing with my luck. All faithful, fail in the morning, you know. But thankfully, you know, first lady up and running still. That never have the two of them together, I swear, either. Alright. Jaja no star. Just done shut up the thing at the insurance company, you know. And I come in happy. Right, I come in too happy. See what go on there. Some bad judgments there. Jaja know as I come on road at the fuck. Some work for the back on it, you know. One of them thing there. And there for the bumper this time I want on it. Jaja. Yeah. Damage the bad. My YouTube family, friends, and subscribers, well wishers. I make a bad judgment. This is a little narrow. You see me? For coming in for the main. Bad judgment, is it? Part tight still. Don't they have a plan still in it, you see me? Yeah, but they have a plan for put on the GTS bumper, but it want to work pan, so I guess a 2 bumper never work pan. I still want to pretty up back that one here, you know. And the car itself have one other touch pan it. And I me do that, we want to deal with. So everything in time. I guess at this I guess you like get bodied, you know? Yeah. Give it some, actually get a little touch for your Christmas. She can't stay so. Tell him we wait in the morning and see the bass pitch on the car and say, yeah! Little me did know say my car the money I go spend on again.